Today I will show you how to sew an envelope pillowcase like this one. First measure the width of your pillow and add 1 centimeter. Then measure the other side and multiply it by 3. This is the fabric piece I cut. It's 1 centimeter wider than the pillow and 3 times longer than the other side. To create hems, fold the longer edges of the fabric piece twice towards the wrong side of the fabric. I'm using the universal presser foot, the stitch length is set to 3 and I'm making a straight seam. Don't forget to support me by liking the video. Now it should look like this. There is a hem at each one of the longer ends of the fabric. Now place the fabric with the wrong side facing you exactly where you want the enclosure on the pillowcase to be and turn the pillow as shown in the video. Both ends of the fabric piece must overlap each other. Secure all layers together on one side using sewing pins or clips to prevent them from shifting or moving. Make sure to clip all the layers of fabric together. Now carefully take out the pillow, align the layers on the other side and clip all of them the same way. The last step is to make one straight seam on each side of the pillowcase. I'm using the same presser foot and the same settings on the machine. You can click on the info card to watch my video for a zippered pillowcase. This is what the pillowcase will look like. At this point we have to turn it inside out. Now let's put the pillow inside. And this is the final result. Tell me, do you like my pillowcase in the comments below? Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.